welcome back to CryAI. Today news. New bottom tier character Tomozaki anime gets second season. The official Twitter account for the television anime of Jaku-chara's bottom tier character Tomozaki jaku-chara Tomozaki-kun light novel series announced on Thursday. At the franchise's previously announced new anime is a 13-episode second season. A teaser promotional video reveals that the franchise's previously announced new anime is a 13-episode second season. A teaser promotional video reveals that the season's title is Jaku-chara Tomozaki-kun second stage, but does not specify its premiere date. Attack on Titan the final season part 3 Annan's first half airs as one our special on March 3rd. The first half of Attack on Titan the final season part 3 Shingeki no Kyojin the final season Kanketsu Hen will air as A1 our special on March 3rd, with the second half airing later in the year.